How to add VoiceOver to TikTok. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, tap on the plus icon in the middle. TikTok will take you to its camera page. Now you need to hold the capture button to record a video. Then, go to the edit option from the side panel. Once you're on this page, tap on to the sound option from the bottom panel. You will find a menu like this. Select the VoiceOver option from the menu. Tap on the record button to record your voice. After that, tap on the Done button at the bottom right corner. There you go. You have successfully added VoiceOver to your TikTok. So by following these steps, you can easily add VoiceOver to TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.